Todos disfrutamos, comimos juntos, todos hicimos actividades después. Son toda la mesa, estábamos todas las familias. Ya está padrísimo compartir el tiempo con nuestros hijos.
Picnics in El Arroyo is a program that connects Hispanic families with nature. We organize outdoor events in different parks and natural areas in Central Texas. And we invite Hispanic families to spend a day with us, learn about ecosystems, play games, and have fun in nature.
Theologically speaking, we understand that everything's connected, that when God made this world, He made it to flourish, and He created people to be part of cultivating its flourishing. And so our relationship with God, our relationship with our human neighbor, our non-human neighbor, the very places where we live, and our relationship to ourselves, it's all interconnected.
Some of the families that we work with come from different parts of Latin America. And sometimes they come here, and the city is really big and it's really easy to feel isolated.
We learn this from the families. They tell us that they don't know a lot of green spaces. Sometimes they don't feel comfortable going by themselves. So Picnics in El Arroyo helps them get outdoors and learn about different places in a way that is safe and also culturally sensitive. Sometimes not having information in their language makes exploring a place more difficult for them, and we can provide that help and provide the programming in Spanish so it's more meaningful to them.
Lo que más me gusta es que son nuevos lugares para mí. Casi no salgo con mis hijos yo al parque porque no conozco mucho. Y arroyos, los picnics en el arroyo me gustan porque siempre tenemos, hay como varias familias reunidas y siempre hay ¿cómo se podría decir? Una persona que te da un pequeño recorrido para el parque para conocer las áreas que tiene. Y eso es muy, muy bueno, muy educativo para nosotros y para nuestros hijos.
A Rocha USA's mission is to live out God's call to care for creation and equip others to do likewise. And a big part of carrying out this mission well is cultivating healthy, loving relationships with the rest of creation around us. And that's a big part of what Picnics in Arroyo is designed to do, to help families and communities who are often relatively new to these places get to know the rest of creation around them.
I love when I see the kids exploring and being interested and curious and asking questions and engaged in the activities we do.
Es una gran oportunidad para conocer los diferentes parques que tenemos aquí en Austin.
Disfruto pasar un rato en familia en lugares naturales.
While we do this one project in Central Texas, I think there are lots of opportunities for Christians to help build bridges between our communities and our neighbors and the rest of God's creation.
Ya estoy más familiarizada con los parques y eso me ayuda para en un futuro volver a salir con mis hijos.
I think what Picnics in El Arroyo does is it brings people together in a way where we could find those connections within nature and then form a connection with the places that we live in. And through that, I think the families begin to love where they live.